Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm your host, Jack Henry, and as always, I'm here with my amazing co-host, Sarah Henry.
Hi everyone! I'm really excited about today's episode. This one is going to be fun.
Very fun. Today we're talking about something we all love, movies. But not just movies. We're going to learn English through famous movie quotes.
Yes, the kind of lines you hear once and never forget. The quotes people repeat for years, even decades.
Exactly. And the best part? Many of these quotes are already used in real conversations by native speakers.
That's true. Sometimes you hear a phrase and think, oh, that's from a movie. But people actually say it in real life.
And that's why movie quotes are so powerful for learning English. They're emotional, natural, and easy to remember.
Plus, when you understand a famous quote, you don't just understand the words, you understand the feeling behind them.
Right. So today's episode is perfect if you enjoy movies and want to sound more natural when you speak English.
And even if you're not a big movie fan, don't worry, these quotes can still help you speak with more confidence.
So relax. Maybe imagine you're watching a movie with us.
And let's get started.
All right, before we jump into the movie quotes, let's quickly talk about what you're going to learn in today's episode.
Yes, because this episode isn't just about listening, it's about learning English in a fun and easy way.
Exactly. Today, we're going to explore several famous movie quotes and show you how they can help improve your English.
We'll talk about what these quotes really mean, how native speakers use them, and why they sound so natural in conversation.
You'll also hear common expressions, everyday vocabulary, and natural sentence patterns that you can actually use in real life.
And don't worry, everything will be explained in a simple and clear way. This is Easy Conversation Podcast after all.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand these famous lines better.
And you'll feel more confident using similar expressions when you speak English.
So whether you're listening while driving, walking, or relaxing at home,
just enjoy the conversation and let the English come naturally.
All right, let's talk about why movies are such a powerful tool for learning English. You know, Sarah, when people ask me how I learned so many natural English expressions, movies are always at the top of my list.
Same here. Movies were a huge part of how I started understanding real, everyday English.
Because when you watch a movie, you're not just listening to words, you're watching emotions, reactions, and real situations.
Exactly. You can hear how people actually speak when they're happy, angry, nervous, or excited.
And that's something textbooks don't always show very well.
Not at all. In movies, the English feels alive. It sounds real because it is real.
Another great thing about movies is pronunciation. You hear how words connect and how sentences flow naturally.
Yes, sometimes you know a word, but when you hear it in a movie, you finally understand how it's really pronounced.
And let's be honest, learning through movies is just more fun.
Definitely. When learning is fun, you remember things more easily.
Plus, when a quote becomes famous, there's usually a good reason for it.
It might be emotional, powerful, or just very relatable.
So today we're going to look at some of those famous lines and enjoy learning English through them.
All right, I think it's time to jump into our first movie quote.
Let's do it. All right, Sarah, let's start with our first famous movie quote.
This one is very famous. Almost everyone has heard it, even if they haven't seen the movie.
Exactly. The quote is, "May the Force be with you."
That line comes from Star Wars, and it's one of the most iconic movie quotes of all time.
Now, if you hear this sentence for the first time, it might sound a little confusing.
Yes, because people don't usually talk about the Force in everyday life.
But the meaning is actually very simple. It's another way of saying good luck, or I hope things go well for you.
Right. It's often used when someone is about to do something important or challenging.
For example, before an exam, a big presentation, or a difficult task.
And even though it comes from a science fiction movie, native speakers still use it jokingly in real life.
Exactly. Someone might say it with a smile, especially if they know the other person likes movies.
It's friendly, supportive, and a little playful.
And that's something learners should notice. English isn't just about grammar. It's also about tone and emotion.
Yes, when you understand a quote like this, you also understand how humor and culture work in English.
So you don't need to use this quote every day.
But when you hear it, now you know exactly what it means and how it's used.
All right, ready to move on to our next quote?
Absolutely. This next one is great for building vocabulary. All right, Jack, this next quote is another classic, and it's very useful for everyday English.
Yes, this one comes from the movie Forrest Gump.
The quote is, "Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get."
I love this quote. It sounds simple, but there's a lot of meaning inside it.
Exactly. Let's start with the vocabulary. The key word here is gonna.
Right. Gonna is very common in spoken English. It's the informal way of saying going to.
So instead of saying, "You never know what you are going to get," people often say, "You never know what you're going to get."
And that's something learners hear all the time in movies and conversations.
Another important phrase here is, "You never know."
This phrase means that the future is unpredictable. You can't be 100% sure what will happen.
Native speakers use this expression a lot, especially when talking about life, plans, or surprises.
And the box of chocolates part is a metaphor.
Yes, it means that life has surprises, some good, some unexpected.
You don't choose what you get. You discover it as you go.
That's why this quote became so popular. It's simple, emotional, and very relatable.
And people actually use this quote, or parts of it, in real conversations.
Especially the phrase, "you never know." That one is extremely useful.
So even if you don't remember the whole quote,
Remembering just that phrase can already improve your everyday English.
all right, next up, we'll focus on pronunciation and how English really sounds.
Yes, this next quote is perfect for that.
All right, Sarah, this next quote is perfect for understanding how English really sounds in conversation.
Yes, because when people speak naturally, words don't always sound the way they look on the page.
Exactly. The quote is from The Dark Knight. Why so serious?
Very short, but very powerful.
Now, on paper, this sentence looks simple.
But in real speech, it's all about intonation and stress.
Let me say it slowly first. Why so serious?
And now the natural way. Why so serious?
You'll notice that native speakers don't stop between the words.
Yes, the sentence flows together, and the stress is on serious.
Also, the voice usually goes down at the end, which makes it sound confident and a little challenging.
This kind of question is often used when someone is too tense or not relaxed.
And people use it jokingly in real life, not just in movies.
For example, if a friend is worrying too much, you might smile and say, "Hey, why so serious?"
It's casual, friendly, and very natural.
This is a great example of how pronunciation and emotion work together in English.
You don't need long sentences to sound fluent.
Sometimes short sentences said naturally are even better.
All right, let's move on to a quote that's full of emotion and cultural meaning.
Yes, this next one is very special. All right, Jack, this next quote is very emotional and very famous.
Yes, this one comes from Titanic.
The quote is, "I'm the king of the world."
Such a simple sentence, but it carries a lot of feeling.
Exactly. In the movie, this line is about freedom, excitement, and feeling unstoppable.
And that's why it became so popular in everyday culture.
People don't usually say it seriously.
Right, it's often used in a fun or joking way.
For example, when someone finishes a big project or achieves a goal, they might say this to celebrate.
It's a way of expressing confidence and happiness.
And this is important for English learners to understand. Sometimes meaning comes more from emotion than from the words themselves.
If you translate this sentence word by word, it might sound strange.
But when you understand the culture, it makes perfect sense.
This quote shows how English speakers use exaggeration to express strong feelings.
Yes, English speakers often say things bigger than they really are.
So, when you hear a quote like this, listen to the emotion, not just the grammar.
That's how you really start to understand English like a native speaker.
All right, we have one more quote to go.
And this last one is all about real-life usage.
All right, Sarah, let's finish our movie quotes with one that people really use in everyday conversations.
Yes, this one comes from Jerry Maguire.
The quote is, "Show me the money."
This quote is energetic, confident, and very expressive.
Now in the movie, it's about money and success.
But in real life, people often use it more playfully.
For example, when someone wants results, proof, or action.
Right. You might hear it in work situations, sports, or even jokes with friends.
Imagine someone promises something big, and you smile and say, "Okay, show me the money."
It doesn't always mean actual money. It means, let me see the results.
That's a great example of how English uses idiomatic expressions.
And this quote is usually said with strong energy and confidence.
So tone is very important here.
Yes, if you say it seriously, it sounds strange. It's best used casually or humorously.
This quote helps learners understand how English speakers express motivation and excitement.
And it's another reminder that context is everything.
All right, let's quickly review what we learned today. All right, Sarah, let's do a quick review of today's episode.
Yes, today we explored how famous movie quotes can help you learn natural English.
We talked about quotes that show meaning, vocabulary, pronunciation, emotion, and real-life usage.
And each quote showed a different side of how English is really spoken.
One important thing to remember is that you don't need to memorize everything.
Start small. Even remembering one phrase can make a big difference.
A great tip is to watch the movie scene again and listen carefully to how the line is spoken.
You can pause, repeat the sentence, and try to copy the pronunciation and emotion.
Writing your favorite quotes in a notebook also helps.
And try using them in short, simple conversations.
Learning English should feel enjoyable, not stressful.
And movies are a great way to make learning fun and memorable.
All right, let's finish with a friendly goodbye. All right, everyone, that brings us to the end of today's episode of Easy Conversation Podcast.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We really hope you enjoyed learning English through famous movie quotes.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future episodes.
And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite movie quote in English?
We'd love to hear from you, and your suggestions might even be featured in a future episode.
Also, feel free to share this podcast with friends who are learning English.
Thank you again for listening,
Keep practicing.
and keep enjoying English.
See you next time.